Okay, the demo is done and everything is drawn out. It's drawn out. New fireplace coming soon. Yeah. Alright, we had to extend the fireplace, so we made it 6 feet. So we're gonna extend the ledge from end to end. Then our shelf are gonna be 36, 3 on each side. Okay, it's coming along nicely. I like it better like this versus on how we had it at first. But it's coming along. Yes, they got baby girl stuff over there. We gotta get rid of that. So we're coming along. Materials and stuff, so that'll be out the way in a minute.
Gray Design Firm. My handle is @thegray. D as in dog, F as in Frank. Holla at me.
Holla at him. Hey, he did everything in here, but that's another video. That's another video. That's another video. Okay, I'm back. Let's see how my fireplace door is looking. I had to buy a new fireplace door, so this just came in. So let's see. I just got off work, so excuse me, y'all. I was excited. This is how it's supposed to look, right there. So just a glass door. Okay, it's kind of cute, but I think it's gonna be really, really cute. Wait till y'all see my fireplace. I don't want to take a chance of breaking it, guys. I just got another. It took forever for it to come in, but I got it off of Amazon. So if y'all see how my fireplace used to look compared to what it look like now, you guys gonna be very happy. I'm doing these videos so I can show you how to take a simple house and make it very elegant. I can't live in a big house. I can't move nowhere, so I gotta make what I'm in best for me and my family and my grandkids. Okay. So once y'all look at it again, I know it's all packaged up. Excuse all that stuff. We still back here. We're still doing construction, so I'm trying to take you guys step by step before I get too far in. Then it's off to decorating. That's the next step. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye, basement banners. That's gonna be my new name. Still working on that, but we'll see. Okay, we're still not done. You have to go run to the store to get a little bit more, but it still looks good. Gotta fix the outlet, and this looks so much better. The screen is magnet. The screen is magnet. So, and this just like that. So it opens all the way back when we have the fireplace on. So I'm very pleased. Prior to looking at it, what it used to look like, give a little decoration around it. And the fireplace is almost done. Yay! The BP gang. I don't know what I'm naming you guys yet, but it's gonna be something super hype where everybody gonna want to be in the basement.